Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your file history in Windows File Explorer. And now, let's get started. To begin, open File Explorer. You can usually find it on your taskbar. Once File Explorer is open, click on the three dots which represents See More, located in the top menu. This will reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Options. This section allows you to change settings for opening items, files, folders, and search. In the Folder Options window, under the General tab, you will see an option that says Open File Explorer to. Change this setting to This PC. Now, look for the Privacy section. Here, you will find several checkboxes. Uncheck the box for Show Recently Used Files. Also, uncheck Show Frequently Used Folders. Finally, uncheck Include Account-Based Insights. By unselecting these options, you will no longer see recently used files and frequently used folders displayed in File Explorer. After you have made these selections, click the Clear button to remove your current file history. To make sure these changes are applied, click Apply and then OK. You should now see that all your file history has been removed from File Explorer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.